I'm going to show you how to stop Facebook calls on your iPhone. So to call through Facebook, you're actually calling through the Messenger app. So let's go to Messenger and we'll just pick a random conversation here. So you can go through an individual chat and stop calls from coming through. All you have to do is go on the chat and click on the person's name. And under notifications and sounds, all you have to do is go ahead and hit mute for your calls notifications. This is going to essentially stop those calls from coming through. But if you're someone that wants all calls turned off, what we can do is go out of Messenger and close out of this. Let's go to our settings. And from our settings, you want to go down to the very bottom where it says apps. And then go ahead and type in Messenger just so it comes up here. And essentially what we want to do here is go to our notifications and go ahead and turn these notifications off. This is going to also help stop those calls from coming through. And one extra thing that you can do to really make sure that these calls don't really come through is to go back one page and turn off the access to your microphone and your camera. This way, Messenger does not have access for your microphone and camera, so then essentially you cannot receive calls because the way that Messenger works, you can do a FaceTime conversation or just a regular audio conversation. So if you turn these two features off, you can't get those calls. But that's it. It's super simple.